Looking for a natural, refreshing detox drink that's simple and powerful? Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a simple and refreshing detox drink. I'll be using cucumber, pineapple, apple, lemon, water, and ginger. I'll blend everything until smooth, and then I enjoy it. It's naturally sweet, refreshing, and perfect chilled. Try it today and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes. This is refreshing and it's perfect for boosting your immunity and stay hydrated. If not subscribed, subscribe so that we can grow together. For my subscribers, thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate. Stay blessed.